Hello everyone. Today we discuss a little about cosmos and its divinity. Let's begin. Cosmic energy is the life force. When we talk about cosmos, it means we are directly linking to infinity. Because cosmos is the same as Akasha, space, ether or any universal existence. The cosmos present everywhere as it is the significant force of existence. For example, the human molecular body, galaxies, space between two human beings, or an empty room. The all surrounding around us is filled with space, either here or in universe. In fact, in easy words, cosmic energy is the basic of all our action, reaction and function in totality. We science putting enough effort to know cosmos, but science is only capable of reaching some celestial knowledge, apart nothing. Even our body receives some amount of cosmic energy when we are asleep in total silence or in peace of mind in any yoga form, which helps us to expand our consciousness, but this natural phenomena is very minimal and hard to experience. The reason why the cosmic energy is the thought of Kundalini awakening through deep meditation. The force which is generated between human and cosmic is surrounded by an energy field. This positive energy field helps to understand deep human qualities and involves us in good activities to create harmony in our life as well as in other life. The initiation of bondage between human body and cosmos begins with hymns or mantras. Eventually it converts into spiritual connection. The spiritual connection is something very pure, which is above all current religion aspects. A highly civilized population never thought the importance of religion, but doesn't mean they denied the power of a spiritual cosmos. As we cannot see air, but know the importance of it. Similarly, the cosmic energy only can be felt with inclination of ourselves to real spiritual behavior. That is self-realization towards the higher dimension of manifestation. The science, the only thing for evolution, which has temporary impact and weakens human consciousness, whereas spiritual knowledge towards cosmos leaves a permanent impact and achieve higher consciousness leads to manifest ourselves toward liberation. Achieving liberation is not a short path, but a constant practice of improvement toward establishing right with current circumstances without harming your surroundings. The easy way to improve consciousness is with the help of natural cosmic rays. This topic we will cover in our next video. As we come to the conclusion, we must know the importance of cosmic power around us, as we are a very tiny creature in this cosmic world, but plays a very important role in this cosmic record. Thank you so much.